Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Sarah, and I'm so glad you're here with us today. As you can see, it's a rainy day where we are, and we thought it would be the perfect time to teach you some useful English phrases for those rainy days. Whether you're stuck inside or out and about, these phrases will help you sound natural when talking about the weather.
Hi everyone, I'm Dave, and I'm excited to be here too. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our fun lessons. And of course, if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Absolutely. We're here to make learning English fun and practical, so whether you're at home, on the go, or just chatting with a friend, today's lesson will help you use simple and useful English phrases for rainy days. It's all about learning how to describe the weather, ask questions about it, and even make plans when it's wet outside. Plus, you'll learn some cool new vocabulary like heavy rain, drizzle, and more.
Exactly. So whether you're planning to go outside or just enjoying a cozy day indoors, today's phrases will definitely come in handy. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. We're going to have a lot of fun while learning.
Okay, let's start by talking about some words we use to describe the rain. First, we have rain. Rain is the water that falls from the sky when it's cloudy. It's very simple to use. You can say, "It's raining," when you want to talk about the weather. And don't forget, rain can happen at any time, from a light drizzle to a heavy downpour.
Exactly. And if the rain is light, meaning just a little bit of rain, we say light rain. For example, it's light rain today. I don't need a big umbrella. When it's light rain, the drops are small and spaced out, so you don't usually get too wet.
That's right. But if there's a lot of rain, lots of water falling from the sky very quickly, we call it heavy rain. You can say, "It's heavy rain today. Be careful when you go outside." Heavy rain can make puddles on the ground, and if you're not careful, you might get soaked in just a few seconds.
Exactly. Now, here's another word. Drizzle. A drizzle is very light rain. It's like the rain is barely falling. You can say, "It's just a drizzle," when the rain is very light like this. Drip, drip, drip. It's so light that it might not even be enough to get you completely wet.
Exactly. Drizzle is great when you don't need a big umbrella. It's just enough to feel a few drops on your skin, but it doesn't stop you from going out. But sometimes the rain is so strong that it's not just rain anymore. We call it a storm. A storm is when the weather is really bad, with strong rain, sometimes wind, or even thunder and lightning. It can be dangerous and you should stay inside. You might hear, "There's a storm coming. We should stay inside."
And of course, when it's rainy, we usually need things to keep us dry, like an umbrella or a raincoat. If you're going outside, you might say, "Don't forget your umbrella," or "I need to wear my raincoat today." A raincoat is a special coat designed to keep you dry when it's rainy outside.
Now that we know some basic vocabulary, let's talk about how to use these words in a conversation. Here's a quick example. If it's raining a lot, you can say, "It's a rainy day today." It's simple and clear. Or if you're talking to a friend, you might ask, "Is it raining where you are?" Or, "How's the weather over there?" These are easy ways to start a conversation about the weather, and it's always nice to check in with a friend.
Perfect. Let's review those words one more time. Rain, light rain, heavy rain, drizzle, storm, umbrella, and raincoat. These are all super useful words for rainy days, and you can use them in everyday conversations. It's really helpful to know how to describe the weather, especially when you're making plans or talking to friends. Now, let's practice them in a conversation.
Wow, it's really coming down today. I think it's going to be heavy rain all afternoon. I don't think it's going to stop anytime soon.
Yeah, I can see that. It's not just light rain, it's heavy rain. The streets are getting really wet. I'm glad I brought my umbrella. What about you, Sarah? Did you remember yours?
Definitely. I almost forgot my umbrella this morning, but luckily I remembered it just in time. If I didn't have it, I'd be completely soaked by now. I hate getting wet, especially when it's this cold.
Yeah, I don't mind light rain, but heavy rain like this is a bit too much. It's hard to get anywhere without getting wet. By the way, do you know if it's going to stop soon? I heard on the news that the weather might change later.
I'm not sure. I heard it might stop by later, but right now it's just drizzle. She taps her umbrella gently to show the difference between light rain and drizzle. Drizzle is much lighter, almost like small drops falling here and there. It's not as bad as heavy rain.
Ah, I see. So, if the rain is just drizzle, it's not too bad, right? You can still go outside without getting drenched. Exactly! If it's just drizzle, you don't need a big umbrella. A smaller one will do, or even just a hat might be enough. But if it's heavy rain, you need something bigger to stay dry, or you'll end up soaked in a few minutes. That's true. I think we should head to the coffee shop. I need a warm drink to feel better in this wet weather. A nice hot cup of coffee sounds perfect right now.
Great idea. I could really go for a hot coffee right now, and maybe we can sit by the window and watch the rain fall outside. It's one of the best things to do on a rainy day.
That sounds perfect. But hey, we should watch out for the storm that's supposed to come later. I don't want to get caught in that. The news said it could get pretty strong with wind and lightning.
Yeah, good point. I don't mind rain, but a storm is something else. You definitely want to stay inside when it's like that. Let's hurry before it gets worse.
Absolutely! I don't want to be stuck out here in the middle of a storm. Let's make a run for it.
Sounds like a plan. Rainy days are perfect for staying inside and enjoying a nice drink, don't you think? I'm looking forward to that coffee.
Totally. It's actually one of my favorite things to do on a rainy day. The rain makes it feel cozier inside, you know?
All right, let's go before we get too wet. But don't forget your raincoat for next time. We might get caught in another storm soon.
I'll definitely remember my raincoat next time. Lesson learned.
All right, everyone, let's practice what we've learned today. This is your chance to say the phrases with us and really start feeling comfortable using them. Ready?
Here we go. First, repeat after us. Heavy rain.
Heavy rain.
Great job. Now, let's try light rain.
Light rain.
Perfect. Not too hard, right? Let's move on to drizzle.
Drizzle.
Well done. You're doing awesome. Now, let's say a full sentence. It's a rainy day today. Ready?
It's a rainy day today.
Awesome. Keep it up. And finally, let's practice something important. Don't forget your umbrella. This is something you might say to a friend before they go outside.
Don't forget your umbrella.
Perfect. You're really getting the hang of it. These are all simple phrases, but they're super useful for talking about the weather. The more you practice, the easier it will be to use them in conversation. So don't worry if you don't remember everything right away. Just keep practicing.
Exactly. You'll find that soon, talking about rainy days will become second nature to you. Remember, practice makes perfect. You can say these phrases to friends or even when you're talking to yourself. The more you say them, the more confident you'll become.
And don't forget, you can mix and match these phrases too. For example, you could say, "It's drizzling today, but I need my umbrella because of the heavy rain later."
Great point, Dave. You can combine these phrases in any way you like, so keep practicing, and we know you'll be chatting about rainy days in no time.
Keep it up, and soon you'll be able to talk about any kind of weather like a pro. We're so proud of you.
Thanks for practicing with us today. We'll see you in the next video. Stay dry and keep learning. Well, that's it for today's lesson. We hope you learned some new words and phrases to talk about rainy days. Now you'll be able to talk about the weather with confidence, whether it's light rain, drizzle, or heavy rain.
Exactly. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at speaking English. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love hearing from you. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, leave them in the comments below. We're always happy to help.
Thanks so much for watching today's video. Keep practicing your English, and we'll be here to support you every step of the way. Whether it's sunny or rainy, you'll be ready to talk about the weather.
Absolutely. Stay dry, stay positive, and keep learning. We can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care, and see you soon.
Bye for now. Don't forget your umbrella.